for 35 real! 45 real! 55 real only! Mga kabayan, halina kayo dito sa Baladna. Napakamura na kanilang mga maleta. Safari chocolate for only 8 real. Kinder Cards chocolates for only 11 Qatari reals. Stone chocolates for only 11 Qatari reals. Hoy, Cadbury chocolate 3-piece na for only 13.50. Uy, kabayan, 19 reals lang to, celebration chocolates. O ito, Pringles for only 7 reals. Anchor Milk 2.25 kg na siya for only 52.5. Smartwatch may kasama ng 7 na straps for only 15 Qatari reals. Ito naman, smartwatch din, 9 Qatari real lang. Earphone for only 1 real. Data cable for charging for only 1 real. Extension cords for only 7 Qatari reals. Pabango, pambabae at panglalaki for only 4.5 Qatari reals. Ang mura.
Mga kabayan, kung ikaw ay uuwi para magbakasyon, mamili na kayo ng pampasalubong dito sa Haya Baladna. And again, this is Sheila. Thank you for watching. See you soon.